Alright, hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a time stutter glitch effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. We are inside of Adobe Premiere Pro right now, and I have a sequence here, 005 walking, alright, and we're going to create a time shutter glitch effect in this. All right, so to do that, so let's go ahead and open to the sequence here, to our 005 walking, and then I'm gonna use my arrow keys. All right, so I'm gonna make it larger. All right, as you can see here. Okay, so right now I'm pressing the right arrow. All right, so to do frame by frame. Okay, so one right arrow, one frame, frame by frame. So you press the arrow, it gives you the frames. All right. Now, so what I'll do, let's say in this part, I want to do the glitch, the shutter glitch effect in here. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut in this by pressing the letter C, all right, and then cut, and then move into the one right arrow, and then I'm gonna cut again, and then I'll do another arrow, and then cut again. All right. All right, and then so once we have these two cuts, all right, let's try to increase that or zoom in. Okay, so we have two cuts in here. I'm gonna go back to letter V, all right, to go back to our selection tool in here. So we have two frames here. So this one is one frame, this is two frame. Okay, one frame, two frame. Okay, so right now I'm gonna move this, all right, this clip, I'm gonna move it farther away. So by pressing the letter A on the keyboard, we'll go to these tool. All right, I'm gonna drag this to the right. All right, I'm gonna drag it to the right. Okay, let's try and make it a little bit our timeline larger, as you can see. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is go back to letter V to our selection tool, and then I'm gonna highlight this. All right, select this, and then let's copy and paste it. So by Command C, copying, and then Command V, paste it, paste it. Make sure that the V1 is highlighted so that you're gonna paste the clip on the V1. All right, because it's if this is highlighted, it's gonna paste it on the V2 here. All right, so make sure V1 is selected, and then let's paste it how many times you'd like. It depends on your part. It depends on you how many times you'd like to add this effect. All right, so if you're gonna play this one, this is gonna happen. All right, so and then after that we can just put it back here. All right, there you go. So I just put this by pressing the letter A. All right, pressing the letter A, and then you can just move this, or you can put it back in there. All right, now let's try to pressing the right arrow here. We're just going by frame here. All right, let's say there. I want to do the glitch effect in this part as well. So I'm gonna press the letter C, and then make a cut in this part, and then pressing the right arrow, and then cut again. Right arrow. Oh, by the way, what you can do for this part is by pressing the arrow twice. All right, so you can go to two frames. All right, and then you can cut, and then another one frame, and then cut again. All right, there you go, and then press the letter A so that you can move this part, all right, farther away, and then press the letter V so you can go to selection tool again, select this, and then you can Command C for copy, and then paste it, and then paste it again, paste it again. All right, so as you can see here, all right, so there's a glitch effect in there. All right, so if you're gonna play this, let's try to play this and see what's gonna happen. There you go. So if you're doing some sports video and you want to do some glitch effect, that's how you do it. Now it's as you can see, it's kind of messy in here. All right, there's a lot of frames that's moving here. So what you can do is you can put this inside of the nest. All right, say for example this whole part, you don't want to make it a little bit messy. You can just highlight this, and then right click, and then scroll to click on nest. All right, nested sequence, you can rename this whatever name you want. Click OK. There you go. Now it's it's like a completely one frame or one sequence in here. But if you want to make additional edit inside, just simply double click on this, and it will go back to the nested sequence that you just created, and then you can just make some changes in here. Now if you go back to your 005 walk in the main sequence, it's not messy. All right, so you can just play with it. It's still the same. There you go. All right, let's try to play with the large screen, full. And that's how you do the time stutter glitch effect. All right.